Hi friends, welcome to my channel Job Updates by Verma. I give daily job updates in my channel for every sector, government sector, private sector, engineering sector, as well as PSU jobs. If you have come first time in my channel, please subscribe my channel because you will be beneficiate from our channel with daily job notification, career guidance, as well as interview tips. So today's job notification has come from Cognizant. They are hiring freshers for the process executive position. Any degree can apply for this job. We will discuss in detail in this video. So if you have not subscribed still now, then hit the subscribe button below this video because it gives us motivation. So we can see that Cognizant is hiring freshers. Okay, so the job position name is process executive data. Working location will be Bangalore. Qualification is graduate, that is BE, BTech, MCA exclusion, or higher school graduate or above as may applicable in this geo. Responsibility will be you will be the part of stakeholder or business management. You will administering and helping to manage clients product support for the customer who call or chat or email in the support center, customer support to the international customers, overall the phone voice process, client products to customer analytics, YouTube, etc. Create and manage risk and mitigation plan, efficient timely service delivery across teams for multiple clients. They serve all clients through account managers, report to the manager on performance status and any escalations. You have to have design, develop internet web pages, this prescribed format, adhering to the client requirements with integrity, design client marketing, collaborates customer relationship management. You have to handle people or team, must have skills in customer service, online digital marketing. Employee status is full-time employee. So if you are really interested, you need to click on apply link. So those who are not BE, BTech, MCA batches, those can apply for this job. So you can once again go through the job notification here, that is the online analyst position. The process or the position name is process executive data. So you need to click on apply now. So it will be redirecting to the career website of Cognizant. So at first you have to click on proceed by selecting the candidate privacy policy. So then you need to upload your resume here. You can see these options. Your resume you have to submit here. So after submitting resume, you may have to fill these personal details like full name, last name, second name. So those parts you have to fill up there. So yeah, so by clicking on proceed, you just need to fill these personal details, or if you upload the resume, then those documentation or those valid points will come automatically. So if you have any experience, you can mention here. So if you don't have experience, then click on 0. Then your skill sets, then by clicking on next, you need to submit your candidature there. So if your profile is being selected there, then you will get a chance of getting interview call for this position, process executive role. So very good opportunity to all of you. Salary will be minimum 2.8 LPA to 3.3 LPA. So if you are really interested, then click on apply link. I will say it is good to start your career in such a big IT industry company, Cognizant. So if you face any challenge in fill up this form or any kind of question you have, then you can ask in the comment section. If I have that knowledge, I will try to solve your query. Thank you. Thanks for your patience for watching this video. We will meet in next video with new job updates. Take care, and also don't forget to subscribe and share our channel Job Updates by Verma. Take care guys. Have a great day. Bye.